Welcome down onto the tech desk, and in today's video we're going to be connecting our AirPods to our Xboxes really easily. Okay, so you're going to need three things for this. You're going to need AirPods, obviously, but it also works with any other Bluetooth headphones. The reason I've got these Bluetooth headphones is because I can demonstrate the sound coming through it. I can't with the AirPods, you just have to trust me on that one, but we will be connecting the AirPods and then we will be connecting these. You're also going to need, obviously, an Xbox, but an Xbox controller with these, the expansion port and the 3.5mm port. So with the One, the One X, the Series X, the Series S, they will all work with these controllers. As long as it's got these two, you're good to go. This is an Elite Series 2 connected up to a Series X, so that's how we're going to be testing it. And then third and finally, you're going to need this. This is the AudioBox Bluetooth audio transmitter 5.0 from SkullNCo. I'll leave some stats up there so you can have a look about, because it's got some low latency information and just some product details. I'll leave them up there so you can have a look at them. But essentially, all you're going to get is this piece. This is the beauty of it. So this is from SkullNCo, and as you can see, the expansion port and the 3.5 in there. And if I spin this up here, you can see that there's an on-off button and pair, which I'll talk about in a bit, and a microphone on and off button. And there it says AudioBox on the side. Now, the beauty of this is it has a built-in microphone. Other USB transmitters have tried to send audio, kind of voice chat, over Bluetooth. It's a real hit and miss, and it's very hard. So they've taken the DualSense approach. So like if you've got a DualSense, it has a microphone built in. So this has a microphone built in. You don't need Bluetooth activated for the microphone to work. So you could just plug this in, switch this on, and this turns into a microphone. But if you wanted to connect Bluetooth, you can have Bluetooth as well as the microphone. It has two LEDs in there, which I'll talk about in a bit, that show you which one is on and which one is off. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to get your controller and plug it in there, like so. And it's drawing, as we saw in the stats, it's drawing very, very little power. It takes power from the controller, hardly any. And then all you're going to do is you're going to switch it to on, like that, and then you see the LED starts flashing there. If I was playing my Xbox, as I do now, if I just flick that to on, the microphone there, the microphone's on. Now, so I can voice chat now. I don't need to pair it with anything, just having that on. I could switch that off. I could still chat, as you see the LED there, I could still chat using this microphone. And you're gonna have to trust me on this one. The microphone is great. I was having it down by my waist, chatting away, no problems at all. My friends couldn't have any problems at all hearing me, so it's a really good microphone. Okay, so let's switch that off. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna pair it, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on, and you're gonna slide this over to pairing mode, and this will start flashing. Then, what you do with your AirPods is to pair them, is the button on the back, hold that open, and then hold that down until that flashes, and then once that's been flashing, and that's flashing, and we know that it's solid, it's connecting. So let's put this into pairing mode. So we'll hold this down till it starts flashing. There we go, it's flashing, and then we'll slide this over to pairing for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, there we go. It's now looking for the device, so that's flashing, and my AirPods are flashing. Goes green, stops flashing. Now these are connected, so I can now put these in my ear. There we go. You have to trust me on this one. That's why we're going to connect these in a bit. And now I can hear my Xbox fine. So now I've got Xbox playing through my AirPods and no lag at all. Okay, you might be asking about lag. I haven't experienced any at all. I think it's fantastic. The sound quality is superb. I can't adjust the volume. I can't adjust the volume on the AirPods, but I can on the Xbox, so you do that. But with these headphones, I can. Another thing to note as well, it can connect up to 2 devices at the same time. And then when you connect a third, the first one gets knocked out. Okay, so you connect 1, connect 2, you connect 3, that one gets knocked out. You connect 4, that one gets knocked out, and so forth. Okay, so it remembers your last 2 paired. So it's remembered that one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to spin over and we're going to connect these. And it's just a simple case, exactly the same as before. With these, I just need to turn them on. And then I need to hold down the Bluetooth button to start pairing. I'm in pairing mode with these now. And then this one, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hold it down for 3 seconds till it goes into pairing mode. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now we're pairing. Now we're going to be pairing it with these. Done. and we've connected. And the way I can show you how to test this is by bringing in Leigh. He has some special headphones on that are recording on the mic. And what I will do is I will put these on him on the left and on the right. There we go. And as you can hear, that is now connected. Again, you can adjust the volume. You can adjust the volume on the headset on these ones if you need to, or just go into the Xbox and do it via that way. You can also, if you have headphones that work, just do the volume on these. Couple other advantages as well. This will sit in the case, the official for the Elite. It will sit in the official case as well with this attached, so you don't need to take it off every time. And also it stays on the SkullNCo stand as well for the controller stand, so you don't need to take it off. Superb. So there we have it then. This is a brilliant device to be able to get AirPods connected to your Xbox lag-free. I think these are phenomenal. I'll leave links down below where you can get them, and I think I've got a code as well, so I'll be able to get some money off. If you want to connect your Xbox to your AirPods or any other Bluetooth headphones easily, then it's the AudioBox for you. Please do stick your thumbs up, do subscribe, and until the next video, bye-bye.